Well, hey there, friends. Before we open today's pack, I just wanted to say a massive thank you. We've hit 100 subscribers. This community has been growing with such positivity, and it means the world to me. To celebrate, this handsome little fellow right here is looking for a new home. If you'd like a chance to win it, all you have to do is like this video and tell me your favorite Poké Ball. That's it. Just share a little joy, and you're in. Now let's see what kind of quiet treasures are hidden inside today's pack. You know, there's something reassuring about the little joys. Things like the sound of the breeze through the trees, and the surprise of a hollow glimmer of fresh pack. That familiar click of a Pokeball just before it lands. We don't always get big shiny moments, but the little ones, well, they have a way of stacking up into something beautiful. Like puzzle pieces forming a calm, happy place. So tell me, friend, what pack would you like to see opened? Or maybe there's a special place you'd like to visit through the screen. A mountain trail, a quiet riverbed, maybe even on the rooftop during the sunset. Let's keep building this peaceful space together. Not what we were hoping for today, but that's okay. He still has a place in the binder. Thanks for being here, for sharing this quiet moment. Don't forget to like this video and share your favorite Pokeball. And I'll see you next time. Stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.